Hey guys, I'm excited to share the bicycle handlebars in this video. After much research, I found these products helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. MTB Folding Handlebar. MTB bicycle folding handlebars offer a versatile and innovative solution for outdoor enthusiasts and mountain bike riders seeking enhanced comfort and adaptability during their cycling adventures. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, these folding handlebars combine lightweight design with robust performance, making them an ideal choice for rugged terrains and extended rides. Designed with convenience in mind, the folding feature allows cyclists to easily adjust their riding posture on the go. This adaptability is particularly useful during long rides, enabling riders to switch between an upright position for leisurely cruising and a more aerodynamic posture for efficient pedaling and higher speeds. With a focus on user comfort, the ergonomic design of the folding handlebars provides multiple hand positions, reducing fatigue and promoting better blood circulation during extended rides. This design also enhances control and stability, contributing to a safer and more enjoyable cycling experience. The MTB bicycle folding handlebars are designed to seamlessly integrate with various mountain bike setups. Number 4. Fenn HB010 Carbon handlebar is a top-tier component engineered to optimize road cycling performance. Constructed from high-quality carbon fiber, this drop bar handlebar is designed to offer a winning combination of lightweight construction, strength, and aerodynamics, catering to the demands of road cyclists. Featuring a 31.8mm clamp diameter, the handlebar ensures secure and stable mounting while promoting efficient power transfer and precise handling. With width options ranging from 400mm to 460mm, riders can choose the size that best suits their body proportions and riding preferences, enhancing comfort and control on long rides. The ergonomic drop bar design provides multiple hand positions for improved riding efficiency and reduced fatigue. This design also promotes an aerodynamic posture, allowing cyclists to slice through the wind with minimal resistance and higher speeds. The Fenn HB010 Carbon handlebar boasts meticulous attention to detail and a sleek matte finish, adding a touch of elegance to your road bike's aesthetics. Number 3. Tossi TR 5500. Tossi TR 5500 bicycle handlebar is a premium offering designed to elevate road cycling experiences. Crafted from high-quality T800 carbon fiber material, this handlebar ensures a winning combination of lightweight construction and robust performance, catering to the needs of discerning cyclists. Featuring a 28.6mm diameter, the integrated road handlebar guarantees enhanced stiffness and durability, optimizing power transfer and steering responsiveness. The seamless integration of the handlebar with a built-in bike computer holder enhances convenience, allowing cyclists to easily mount and access their devices for tracking essential ride data. The ergonomic design of the Tossi TR 5500 provides optimal comfort and a natural wrist angle, reducing fatigue during extended rides. The integrated road handlebar is engineered for precision handling and stability, contributing to enhanced control and confidence on the road. Incorporating a sleek and aerodynamic aesthetic, the handlebar complements modern road bikes, enhancing both performance and visual appeal. Number 2. Dedici 9-degree carbon bicycle handlebar is a high-quality component designed to enhance your mountain biking experience. Constructed from premium carbon fiber material, this handlebar offers a winning combination of strength, lightness, and durability for avid riders seeking top-notch performance. Featuring a 9-degree angle, this handlebar provides a comfortable and ergonomic riding position, reducing strain on your wrists and optimizing control over varying terrains. The 31.8mm clamp diameter ensures a secure fit, enhancing stability and confidence during intense rides. Available in two width options, 720mm and 760mm, riders can choose the size that best suits their preferences and riding style. The versatility in width allows for personalized customization, catering to individual needs and preferences. Finished in a sleek matte design, the handlebar adds a touch of understated elegance to your bike's aesthetics. The flat MTB handlebar design offers a minimalist and streamlined look while promoting responsive handling and improved maneuverability. Number 1. Tossi MTB handlebars and stem 28.6mm 17-degree carbon integrated handlebar offers a high-performance solution for mountain biking enthusiasts seeking superior control and comfort on the trails. Crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, this integrated handlebar and stem combo seamlessly blends form and function. With a diameter of 28.6 mm, the handlebars ensure optimal stiffness and durability, enhancing the overall riding experience. The 17-degree angle provides an ergonomic and comfortable riding posture, reducing strain on wrists and shoulders during long rides. This design promotes confident handling and precise maneuverability, particularly on challenging terrains. Available in multiple lengths ranging from 660 mm to 800 mm and stem options of 70 mm, 80 mm, 90 mm, and 100 mm, riders can customize their setup for a personalized fit. The variety in lengths ensures compatibility with different body types and riding styles, enhancing control and responsiveness. Constructed with precision and attention to detail, the Toxic MTB handlebars and stem are engineered to meet the demands of off-road cycling.